Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Namma KPSC. A big breaking news, CASE 2024 notification is finally out for a total number of 384 posts. And our director Arjun Bopanna sir has already made a video on how to crack CASE 2024 exam in just 2 months. What should be our strategy? Now, we started getting lot of queries that sir, what should be our strategy or how should we prepare for mental ability or CSAT section of case examination, because most of the students still feel that mental ability sections is one of the toughest section of case examination, but it is not. Friends, in this video I am going to talk in very much detail about the topic, the syllabus, the previous year question, the tips and tricks. So we will be solving the questions with the help of shortcut techniques. So a lot of things we are going to do in this particular video. We are also going to completely analyze the previous year paper by solving it, so that you will be able to understand the level of the question which will be asked in your examination. Now I request all of you, please do like the video and also watch the video till the end, so that you get the complete clarity about your mental ability or CSAT in one single video. Now, so this will be our master class on CSAT for KPSC, and here we are going to discuss the strategy, right? And friends, you don't even need 2 months to prepare for mental ability, right? So you just need few days and you will become master. You will be able to easily score 50 plus marks in the mental ability section. Okay, now before I start, I just wanted to tell you friends, nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. As you are aware, so this case notification has come after few years, right? And this opportunity, you do not have to miss it at any cost. Friends, we at Namma KPSC are there to support you, are there to help you with each and everything. You might have seen we are doing Sunday Manthan free classes for the case aspirants, right? We are doing lot of free videos for you, so we are putting lot of effort from our side, right? And we also have the test series for you so that you become better, right? So we will talk about that also. So all CSAT test series, and then we have for complete case test series. So each and everything we will discuss. Okay, now so let us start with that. So mental ability, trust me, it is one of the easiest section, right? So it is one of the easiest section for your case examination. Okay, so that mindset you need to change, and that you will be able to change when we will solve few questions for you, right? Okay, fine. So before I go and discuss the marks distribution, the mental ability topics, the questions, okay? So one question which was asked when the last exam was conducted, right? Case examination. I will also tell you how to download the paper. So a 2-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 14, right? Okay, now check the option. So which option product is 14? So 2 into 7, this will be 14. 7 into 2, this will be 14. Two option is already eliminated, right? Okay, when 45 is added to this number, so when you add 45 to this number 27, then it will become 72, and when you add 45 to 72, then it will become 117. So when 45 is added to this number, the digit interchange their position. So 27 is becoming 72, digit interchange their position, option 2 will become the correct answer. So even though you do not have idea that how do we write 2-digit number, 3-digit numbers, you will be able to solve the question in mind itself, right? See, now this particular question, I don't need a pen. A 2-digit number is such that this is a case problem, right? So a 2-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 14. Option I saw, 2 into 7, 7 into 2. Either 2 or 4 will be answer, sir. Okay, now when 45 is added, I added 27, I added 45, 72. So when I add 45 to the number interchange their position, which is nothing but option 2. I don't even need a pen and paper, and that I will show you for many other questions. You don't worry, you just watch the video till the end. Okay, now so friends, if we talk about the weightage of mental ability, right, general mental ability, right? So CSAT for KPSC, if we'll talk about that, then total 30 questions will be asked to you for 60 marks, right? You could see here total 200 marks in your second paper, right? So in paper 2, total 200 marks, and CSAT marks is 60, right? So CSAT marks is 60. That means, right? So that means what, sir? 30% weightage your general mental ability will take. So it is very, very important to score at least 50 marks in general mental ability, and that we will be able to do. We are going to put a lot of effort for you. Don't worry about it, okay? So 30 question and 60 marks. That means one question will be asked for 2 marks. The question just now we solved was for 2 marks, and that we did it in the mind itself, right? Okay, so this is about the weightage. So general mental ability has a very good weightage. That means 30%, right? 30% of weightage in your examination in paper 2. Now, so if we talk about the syllabus which is given by KPSC, right? So definitely it is not very, very clear, right? So in this particular some 4 or 5 lines, they have given the complete syllabus, right? Okay, but one thing they have clearly said, so class 10th level questions they are going to ask. That means you have to keep in your mind the level of the questions will be of class 10th only. It will not be very, very difficult. So if you really understand the basics, or if you really understand the tricks, then you can easily score very good marks in your mental ability. Now, we will talk about which all topics are very, very important, right? Friends, see, you have limited times, right? So 2 months, and this 2 months completely you are not going to study mental ability because you have a lot of things to read, right? So if you go back and see, so we have general studies, we have humanities, right? And then we have general studies related to state importance, we have general science and technology environment. So there are so many things to study, right? We cannot completely focus on mental ability, and you do not even have to focus on, right? You do not even have to focus on. Now, so what you have to do, you understand. So these are so many topics which are there in aptitude, right? So even if you target one topic each day with practice, right? So 2 months completely you'll have to spend your time here, but you do not have to do that. You have to focus on important topic like simplification, HCF, LCM, percentage, profit and loss. So if you understand percentage, profit and loss will automatically get clear. So if you attend percentage class, then profit and loss, data interpretation, all 3 things will be done. Time and work. So if you attend time and work, pipe and systems will be automatically clear. Time, speed and distance, you do not have to solve tough questions, only simple questions you have to solve. Number series, ratio, proportion, average edges, ratio. Okay, so this is repeated actually, simple and compound interest and number series, right? So these are very few topics which you need to spend time on that, right? So here basically you will be having number system. So number system you'll have to, basic questions you'll have to solve it, right? So if we talk about the important topic, then simplification, SCF, LCM, percentage, profit and loss, data interpretation. So data interpretation will be a very, very important topic, right? So even though last year there was no question, but we will go back and we will see. So basically I have kept everything ready for you, right? So from Namma KPSC, you will be also able to download the previous year questions, okay, from this particular link. So I have downloaded the paper, and then few years, right? So in few of the year, they have asked lot of questions from data interpretation, and in few years they have not even asked one question also from data interpretation. But still we have to prepare in such a way that if they ask, we will be able to solve the question, right? So you can see this is a data interpretation question, right? Again, if we come down here, this is a data interpretation question. Again, this is a data interpretation question. This is a data interpretation question. So we have categorized in that format so that you will not be able to miss anything in the examination. Okay. Now, if we'll talk about reasoning, again, we have a lot of topics. Friends, see, this mental ability is nothing but aptitude and reasoning. This mental ability is nothing but aptitude and reasoning. Now, many people will tell logical reasoning, verbal reasoning, okay, but I have covered everything inside one reasoning. So we have syllogism, we have direction test, we have ranking and order, we have letters, we have blood relation, Venn diagram, puzzle, sitting arrangement, and alphabetical series, right? So these are the important topics as part of reasoning, okay? So from here, the more number of questions will be asked. Now, friends, every year we have seen the different patterns were there, and you can also do this analysis just by downloading the paper. So 17, 18, 15, 14 here. So I have done the same thing, right? So I have analyzed the paper for you. So you can see this is a time and work problem, this is a sitting arrangement problem, this is a number series problem, this is a figure based problems, right? So like this you will be able to see which all topic and what are the level of the questions which were asked by examination, right? Okay, case exam. Now, so here you can see this is a simple and compound interest, right? This is a question from profit and loss, right? So that's the reason I have covered all the important topic this side, so that you are not going to miss anything in the exam. Now, so let us come back and start doing the question from question number 1. So these all are the question which has been asked in the case exam, and the proof is you can download the paper and then you can see all these questions has been asked. Okay, and most of the questions I have taken from 17 18, I mean the examination which had happened, so that questions only I have taken. So question number 87, if we go, okay, so 87, a 2-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 14. When 45 are added to their number, the digit interchange their position. What is that number, right? Okay, so what I said to you in the beginning, that a 2-digit number, so all are my 2-digit number only. So when you make, product of it digit, the final result will be 14. So if you take option 1, 54, and then if you multiply their digit, it will be 20. No, sir, this will not be our answer. Then see, I am not considering that 2-digit number is 10x plus y, right? And then their product is 14, and then 45 is added. So I'm not doing all those things. Then 27, yes, so 2 into 7 is 14. So that might be our answer because the product is 14. Third one, 3 into 6 is 18. No. Then fourth one, 72. So 72, if I make a product, it will be 14. So either 27 and 72 will be my answer. They are giving one more clue. So when 45 is getting added to that, then the digit is interchanging the position. So 7 came here and 2 came here. This is the correct answer. And here the digits are not, 72 is not getting interchanged, right? So this is how we have to solve. Now, friends, so before I move to question number 2, I wanted to tell you that we have started CSAT 2024 test series. So this is CSAT for KPSC. So CSAT, see, many people says it CSAT, many people says that mental ability. So it's up to you what you say. See, for me, it is nothing but aptitude and reasoning. So mental ability, or you can say, right? So civil services aptitude test, right? So that is CSAT. So we have started a test series. Very nominal charges are there, just 499 rupees. So 10 tests are there and test discussions will be happening. So you can reach out to our team, right? So here the contact number is given. So they will be giving you more clarity on that, and you will be able to see a lot of the short tricks. So we will be solving most of the questions with the option itself. Now question number 2. So what is the smallest number greater than 1000 which is completely divisible by, okay, completely divisible when divided by any one of the numbers 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, okay, which leaves a remainder of 0, or if it is completely divisible means what? Completely divisible means it will give you a remainder of 0. Now, friends, if you ask me, sir, can you solve it? I will directly tick the answer as option C. I will directly, right, tick the answer option C. But many of you, what you will start doing, because you have been taught this LCM method, so you will start taking LCM 2 3s are 9, 6, 15, 2 9s are, right? You will be keep doing this 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, right? So this is what you will be. Okay, so 3 5s are here basically. Then 3 1s are, 1s are, 2s are, 5s are, and 3 1s are, and then you will get the LCM. Okay, so 2 into 5, so this is 10, and 10 into 18 is 180. You will get LCM, and then you will pick a number, and then you will divide by this. See, definitely many of you will struggle in taking LCM only, which is not required here. Okay, which is not required here. Now please try to understand what has been told in the question, because options are given to us and we can easily do it. So you need a smallest number greater than 1000. Okay, when you dividing by this numbers leaves a remainder of 0, or it is completely divisible, right? Okay, fine. So you should know the divisibility rule of 9. So any number, right? So if any number is divisible by, 9, then the sum of numbers will be divisible by 9. So if you add this 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. So if the sum is divisible by, sum is what? 18. So if the sum is divisible by 9, then this complete number will be divisible by 9. Okay. Now, so you need a number which is divisible by 9. I will not take LCM. I will just, because 9 is given, this has made my problem very, very easy. So sum of number will be what? 6 plus 1, 7. Sum of number will be what? 7 plus 1, 8. sum of number will be what? 9. Sum of number will be what? 10. So if any number is divisible by 9, then the sum of numbers would be divisible by 9. Option C will become the correct answer. You just have to look at the questions. But yes, for this, you should know the divisibility rule, the basics. So you should know the divisibility rule of 3. You should know the divisibility rule of 9, right? So that will be taught during the discussion. So when I will discuss this kind of questions in the test series, I will discuss all those things, right? Okay. So you can get the test series, friends, if you like it. Now, question number 3. So let keep your pen aside. So ages of Arun and Bala, right? And this particular question is also asked in case. So ages of Arun and Bala are in the ratio of 6:5 respectively. If the sum of ages is 33, then what is the age of Bala? Age of Bala, 5 is written. So your answer will be a multiple of 5. Answer will be multiple of 5 means option A will be the correct answer. Sir, how did you do? Now, what you will do, I will tell you. So ages of Arun and Bala. So Arun age you will assume, sir, 6x. Bala age you will assume that 5x because the ratio is 6:5, right? Okay, now if the sum of ages is 33, so now then you will add this and then it will come as 33. So 6 plus 5 will be 11x is 33. So x will be 3. And then Bala age you will say 5 into 3, 15. Why you are putting so much effort? When you know Bala age will be always a multiple of 5. 5x means what? If x is 1, then Bala age will be 5. If x is 2, then Bala will be age will be 10. So in any case, because it is 5x, so Bala age will be multiple of 5 and Arun age will be multiple of 6, right? 6x. So it is very, very clear that option A was the correct answer for this particular problem. Now, sir, what if there are two options which is a multiple of 5? Then for that also, we have something and that we will discuss during our test series. Okay, don't worry about it. For everything, there is a solution. Now, question number 4. It's a case problem again, right? So a box contain 1 rupee coin, 50 paise coin and 20 paise coins in the proportion 674. If the total amount is rupees 341, find the total number of coins in the box. Now choose the option which is divisible by 7, 6, 13 plus 4, 17. So option 4, right? If you divide by 17, 17 threes are 51, okay, and 17 ones are 17, your answer will become option 4. So only with the help of option you will be able to solve. None other options are divisible by 17. You can check in your calculator, right? Okay, so if you want, I can do it by my pen itself. So 17 2s are 34 and here it will come 77, not divisible. 37, if you will put 13 here, right? So 13 4 ja 9, right? So it is not divisible. So 97 will come. It is not divisible. If you put 517, so 17 3s are 51, not divisible, right? Okay. But now, sir, how did you just divide the options by 17 and you got the answer? That's what you need to learn, right? See, the normal process will be quite lengthy. So let us see what is the process here. So you have 1 rupees coin. Okay, so you have 1 rupees coin. Okay, and then you have 50 paise coin. 50 paise is nothing but half rupees. And then you have 25 paise coin. 25 paise coin is nothing but 1 by 4 rupees. See, rupees, 1 rupees is equals to what? 100 paise, right? So if you want to convert paise into rupees, so if we have 50 paise, right? 50 paise, then what will happen? So 50 by 100. So 50 by 100, right? So it will be nothing but 1 by 2. So if you want to convert paise to rupees, you can divide it by 50. Then 25 paise, if you want to convert paise to rupees, divided by 100. So this is what I did. Now they are telling, so a box contain 1 rupees coins, 50 paise coins and 25 paise coin. So now I am telling you the normal method and then I will tell you the tricks. Okay, fine. So now we have converted all the paises to rupees. Fine. And then they are telling, so coins are in the proportion of 7:6:4. So they are in the ratio of 7:6:4. Now, so this, if you want to understand, before that you understand this. So suppose if you have 10 rupees note, 2 in number. If you have 20 rupees note, 4 in number, what will be total amount? Sir, 20 plus 80, it is nothing but 100 rupees. Same thing they are telling, a box is having 1 rupees coin. What is that number? Number is given in terms of ratio. So in whole mathematics, if you get right ratio, just multiply with a variable and write. Okay, now then, sir, 50 paise coin how many? So 50 paise we have 6x in number And sir, what about 25 paise? So it is 4x in number, and total amount is what? 341. Same thing. If you will compare this, then you will be easily able to understand. Always go to your basics if you have any doubt. Then 7x, and this will be nothing but 3x, and 4 and 4 cancel, x is equals to 341. So 11x is 341. So x will be nothing but 31, right? Okay. Now they are asking find the total number of coins. So what is the total number of coins? So total number of coins we have 7x, right? Plus 6x and plus 4x. So 7 plus 6 will be 13, and 13 plus 4 will be 17, and 17 into 31 will be nothing but 527. Now one thing which you have to realize here, so what you got here, 17x, right? 17x. That means your answer will be always a multiple of 17. That's what I said. So your answer will be divided by a multiple of 17, means your options will be divisible by 17. So you pick the option which is divisible by 17, and that will be your answer. So here question number 4, 527, if you divide by 17, it will be divisible, and that becomes your correct answer. You do not have to put so much effort in understanding and doing this kind of problems in the examination, right? So friends, if you want to learn this kind of techniques, then please join this test series, and then see your, the way you think about mental ability will completely change, because we will teach you, right, the way you have to think to crack your case examination. Okay, now question number 5. So question number 5 is a question from sitting arrangement, right? And three questions means 2 marks, 2 marks and 2 marks, total 6 marks you are going to get easily within 1 minute. 5 ladies are sitting on a bench in a park. 5 ladies are there, 3 4 5, okay, to be photographed. Sina is to the left of Ramya. So Sina is to the left of Ramya, okay, no problem. And to the right of Bina, and Sina is to the right of Bina. Monica is to the right of Ramya. Monica is to the right of Ramya, and Rina is between Ramya and Monica. So Rina is here. That means Monica is here, your Rina is here, your Ramya is here, your Sina is here, okay, and your Bina is here. That's all done. Okay, that's all done. Now, so who is sitting on the immediate right to Rina? So immediate right to Rina is Monica. Give me 2 marks. Please give me 2 marks, okay? And then who is the middle? Who is in the middle of the bench in the park? So it is nothing but Ramya. Please give me 2 marks. And then who is sitting on the immediate left of Ramya? It is Sina. Please give me 2 marks, right? You just go here and you see in 2017, right? So even if you do Control F, it should work. So right, so this question you see 54, right? So 54, 55 and 56. So it's not like we have just taken some questions from somewhere and then you are doing it for you. Now question number 6. So the wrong number in the sequence, 26 is a multiple of 13, 52 is a multiple of 13, 71 91 is a multiple of 13, right? And then 117 is a multiple of 13. All other numbers except 141 is a multiple of 13, right? So this is also divisible by 13, this is also divisible by 13. But sir, how we can get 2 marks in exam easily, how we will be able to think in the exam, that is what you will be doing in test series. In test series, I will bombard with every topic question, okay? So every topic, from every topic, I will bombard you with the question so that you will have enough practice before you go and write this mental ability case examination. Now percentage problem. Percentage is always a favorite problem, for the students. But this kind of problems, definitely they confuse them. In an examination, it is required to get 36% of the maximum marks to pass. That means if you get 36%, you are pass, right? You are pass. A student get 113 marks but failed by 85 marks. Give him 85. Give him 85, he will pass. 538 and 198, give him 198 marks, he will pass. Many students will take maximum marks is X. And please remember my words, either in real life or in mathematics, whenever you take X, you are gone, right? So in real life or mathematics, if you start solving the question using X, then you are gone. Okay, so here I am not going to take X. Passing marks is 36%, and passing marks is nothing but I added this 198. They wanted maximum marks, that means 100%. So 1% will be equal to 198 by 36. 100% will be equal to 198 by 36 into 100. Sir, I am not able to understand what you did. Sir, I am not able to understand what you did. So my dear friends, definitely your basic is not that good then. And now in test series, we will work on your basics. Don't worry about that, right? So I will cover everything from the basics, but these are just 2 lines problem, which is for 2 marks asked in examination, and we take XYZ, and our answer will be also 640,000. So if you take XYZ, most probably you will be getting this options, because definitely some mistake we are tend to do. Okay, data interpretation. So data interpretation is tough. Okay, I have taken everything for you so that you don't say something I have not covered. What was the approximate percentage increase in the import from 15 to 16? So where is import? Import is this, 15 is this, 16 is this. That means 2015 the import was 12,000, and 2016 the import was 13584. Okay, so how much it is increased? First you find it out. Okay, now do one thing, percentage you remove, okay, for some time. So what was the approximate increase in the import from 15 to 16? So just subtract. Sir, it was 4851. So 1584 was the increase from 15 to 16. Now percentage we will see. So what was the approximate percentage increased in the import? So what is increased? 154. Okay, now from where the increment was there? From 2015, right? From 2015 the increment, if 2015 was not there, the increment would not have happened. So 2015 means 12,000 will come in the bottom, because from 2015 it has increased. And if you have to calculate percentage, always multiply by 100. Okay, now that's all done. And 12 1s are 12, and 12 3s are 36. So 13%, approximately 13%. Option 4 will be the correct answer. No need to divide exactly accurately, because mental ability, you have to do things mentally. Okay, so you have to do many things mentally, and that's what I'm going to teach you here. So please do join this CSAT 2024 test series, and definitely you will see a lot of improvement in yourself. My name is Pratik Srivastava, and we are going to make it into case 2024. We just need one seat. We don't need more than that, right? So for that, we are going to work very, very hard for you. Thank you. Take care, and all the very, very best.